Jinan Dowell Optoelectronic Equipment Company Limited was established in 2010. Its production base is located in Dezhou City, Shandong Province, and its sales center is located in Xinyuanxin Center, Licheng District, Jinan City. Our production factory covers an area of 5,000 square meters and currently has 60 employees. Dowell Laser has more than 15 years of manufacturing experience in the field of laser equipment. It mainly produces fiber laser cutting machines, laser pipe cutting machines, laser welding machines, laser cleaning machines, laser obstacle clearers, and other laser equipment. We are one of the manufacturing factories in China with independent R&D personnel. The company has professional quality inspection personnel and professional quality inspection processes to strictly control product quality. Products have passed CE and related certifications. The parts of our mechanical equipment are from well-known brands to ensure stable operation of the machine, and we provide customers with reasonable prices and professional after-sales service. High quality and reliable products are our primary goal. Therefore, the products have received strong support and trust from customers all over the world. In the past 10 years, our products have been exported to the United States, South Korea, Russia, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and other countries, and have served tens of thousands of customers. We have become one of the most popular fiber laser equipment manufacturers in China, and we are looking for agents to provide reliable services to every customer. Dowell Laser always takes customer needs as its purpose and always walks with customers.